Okay, here we are testing some armor penetrating pellets. See if they work. Here's shoot a Heinz tomato ketchup can with a normal pellet first. It didn't even go through, just put a dent in there. Now, we'll try armor piercing pellet. That didn't go through either. Now we'll try just a BB. Gotta tilt the gun upwards for a little. That didn't go in either. Oh, put a hole in it though. Try one more armor piercing pellet on its flat with this. I'll try a normal one and then I'll show you armor piercing pellet. Then I'll try a BB again, like I just did. Nice little hole. That's smoker seeing. I oiled my gun just the other day. Still got lots of oil in it. Oh well, I just broke my armor piercing pellet, so I'll just try a BB. Oh! BB put a nice little hole in there. The top one's just a normal pellet, and the bottom one's a BB. I wish I could try an armor piercing, but I just broke it. So, yeah. I'm shooting out of a Winchester 500X model. .77 caliber. Nice gun. Shoots pretty good. Been pretty reliable the past